how to install Voicemod on PC. So if you want to install Voicemod on your PC, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser at first. On your browser, you need to go with search and you need to search for Voicemod. Once you search for Voicemod, now you need to go with www.voicemod.net and it will take you to the official website. Now you need to click on download for free, which is on the top right, and after that your download will be completed, or you just need to simply log into your account. Once you've logged in, then it will start the downloading process. So go with downloads, which is on the top right, and here you will have your Voicemod. So you just need to simply click on it and it will give you this kind of interface, which is if you want to set up your Voicemod. So click on yes and select the language. I'll select English and then go with OK. It will start the setup process. So just go with next and then I accept the agreement and go with next. And here you need to continue or click next after choosing the destination. So make sure that at least 25.6 MB of free disk space is required. So you need to go with next, and then if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can just click on it and then go with next again. And now go with next, click on install, and it will start the installing process. So just wait for a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your network connection. Wait till it finishes the installation and go with finish, and it started downloading the update. So just wait for a few minutes till it downloads the update, and after that you can open up your Voicemod and you can use it. So you just need to simply go with your search, and under search, if you search for Voicemod, then you will have the application right here. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.